La la let, la la let me be. La la let, la la let me be. La la let me be free. La la let me be. La la let me be. La let me be free.
Monday was our last workout in Boise, Idaho. Later this week, we'll be moving around the world and starting over in a new country. My time here has been amazing, and many people have befriended my family and helped us along the way. Dan and Katie at the Fitness Syndicate have been so great and have allowed us to film our videos at their gym for the last few months. I want to say thank you to them for all the kindness and support that they have given us.
What does it mean to be free in this American dream?
We moved back to Boise in October 2020 with the intention of growing my YouTube channel. We left a lot of great memories behind at Alphalete Gym, but I was ready to take the next step. The first gym that I went to when I got back wouldn't allow me to film, and that's what led me to find the Fitness Syndicate. What's up, guys? Welcome to today's video. So today is our last day here in Boise. Getting everything packed up. Looks a lot different than the other day. But this morning, for those of you that have been following my little shred, I'm doing 120 days of shredding, and we just happen to be moving to the other side of the world at the same time. So today is day 61 out of 120. I weighed in at 177.2, which is gonna be interesting to kind of track over the next few days. I'm gonna make sure that I bring my scale with me. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to bring it on the airplane, but I'm gonna bring it all the way up to that point and just track my progress, and then hopefully get another scale when we get there. So I'm gonna go over, get a little workout in, do my cardio, and then just try and take care of macros and everything as much as I can. We got a lot of stuff to do this morning. I've got to actually wash the car. I've got to finish packing and clean everything. So guys, for breakfast, I'm gonna be having one of these Metrics Big 100 Crispy Apple Pie protein bars. These are pretty solid. It's got 31 grams of protein, pretty high in carb though. 48 carb, 9 fat. So this is actually some of the better macros for these bars. There's a few different flavors. This actually has like the best macros that I've seen. Tastes pretty good. And then I'm also gonna have one of these, the Reign Inferno Jalapeno Strawberry energy drinks. Is about 300 milligrams of caffeine. This flavor is pretty insane. I like it. It's kind of an odd combo, jalapeno and strawberry, but I think it tastes great.
When the night has turned its face and the stars have faded into gray,
All right, guys, I just wrapped up my very last workout at Axiom Fitness Center. It's that gym right there. So I did back and biceps. I was gonna do my cardio, but all the Stairmasters were used up. So I ended up doing just a regular pull workout. That way later on today, if the hotel we're staying at has some cardio machines, I can bust out my cardio there, just throw a hoodie on, get like a little sweat going. I prefer doing the Stairmaster, but right now I kind of got to make do with what I got. That's really been the last like 2 weeks. It's just been, just adapting, going on the run. But I've just been trying to make progress and still get everything done. I feel like there's a million things to do. Right now I got to go wash the car because it's dirty. Look at that. So I got to wash the car. I got to go over to the bank. I'm going to add my mom to my account. I'm going to keep like 1 or 2 accounts here in the U.S. open. That way, when I go overseas, I still have like some accounts here in the U.S. Eventually, might get rid of them for the time being. I just have like a little credit union here in Idaho. Just thought I'd let you guys know. I'm going to be trying to share with you guys what I do, like business-wise, with my website, with my training, anything else that happens in the future. I want to be as transparent as possible. There's some things that I can't really go into detail about. So I'm gonna go add my mom to my account and just make sure that if I ever need anything here in the US, my mom's able to handle my business for me. there's definitely going to be a few things that I'm going to need her help with, or my dad doing like trademarks, things like that. So it's best to allow them to have access to my accounts if they need to pay for anything or do anything like that. Just wrapped up my last workout, and I was thinking about how when we first moved here, I had brought my camera to Axiom. They didn't let me film. I couldn't film YouTube videos. They said I could get permission from corporate maybe like twice a month to film videos, and I was like, nah, guys, like I need more frequently, like a couple times a week, every day if possible. But they said no, so I ended up getting that membership over at Fitness Syndicate. Dan was super cool. He let us film, and I was able to keep going with my dream. So I just want to say thanks to Dan and his wife Katie for letting me film and for just being super cool with us and for letting us bring Matthew, and they were just really great with us. And there's always going to be people that help you along the way, that encourage you or enable you to follow your dream, and that was a huge blessing for us. So big thank you to them. And always say yes to your dreams, guys. If someone tells you can't film at their gym, or that you can't do this or you can't do that, find a way around. There's always a workaround. There's always another option. There's always somebody that's going to be willing to help you. But I'll catch you guys in a little bit. I'll keep you guys updated on what goes on. Alright guys, this is my last video here in Boise. So we're getting ready to go. We got everything packed up now. I'm just going to be heading out. But yeah, there's a lot of memories here. So just saying goodbye. Starting over. Next stop, Utah, then on to Armenia. So last time going to Gold's Gym. Going by Gold's Gym. This could be one of my last times. This could be the last time eating Chick-fil-A.
Excuse me, if they approve my visa.
If they approve my wife's visa. If they approve my wife's visa.